Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this YEZRO Nintendo Switch multifunction charging dock with cooling fan. This was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful, I'll put a link to this on Amazon in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So I'm new to the Nintendo Switch. I've had it about 2 months now, and one problem I've had is the dock doesn't allow you to play the Switch while you're charging it. So this should solve that problem. We have a warranty card here, instruction manual, and the dock. Use the charging cable that came with the Switch. So let's take a look here. We have a USB-C port here. We have a fan, has rubber feet on it. This has the same ports that the regular dock has. It has USB-C in, HDMI out, USB 3.0, and then it has a USB 2.0 port here and here. So I'll plug in the power cord on the back side, like so. I can double tap this switch to turn the fan on. There we go. I'm going to hold this up to the microphone so you can hear it. I don't know if that's coming through, but it's pretty quiet. So now I'll mount the Switch on there. I'll remove the Joy-Cons. There we go. I'll place the Joy-Cons in the controller here. So now I should be able to play the Switch while it's in the dock, so I'll turn it on. There we go. Wow, this is really nice. So I've had issues when this thing would drain down and I don't have a TV nearby that I can plug it into, so I could use this dock to play it. Now I'll plug it into HDMI so I can hook it up to a monitor at the same time. I like that it's easy to plug things into this. I found it kind of difficult to plug into this sometimes with my big fingers. Okay, so I plugged it into the monitor and it showed up on the monitor right away. This is a little tricky to share. I'll try and lift this dock up and press the button. So I'll press the button on the back and it will switch from the monitor to the stand itself. There we go. I think that's a very handy feature. You could leave this in the dock next to your TV, and then if you want to play it on the TV, you can play it on the TV. And if someone's watching TV, you could press the button on the back and someone could sit nearby and just play this off the screen itself. I'm going to adjust the camera so I can see what the angle on this thing is compared to the angle on the kickstand on the Switch. And I will say I don't love the kickstand on the Switch. It seems kind of flimsy, it's tiny. So I think this dock will be a better option for me. So there's the little kickstand. Okay, so I have about a 30-degree angle there. And that's about a 20-degree angle. So this is angled back about 10 degrees more using this than the kickstand that came with it, which is nice because when this is using the kickstand, it's kind of hard to see if you're at a desk in a seated position. Having it up more will make it a little easier. Again, to turn the fan on, we can double tap this. And that fan is really nice if you're doing long sessions on the Nintendo Switch. I've been playing Breath of the Wild lately, and you can play that game for hours or days, a really long time. So this dock is nice so you can charge it while you're playing, and also it can keep it cool. This would also be nice for traveling. You could take the Nintendo Switch and your kids could play it in the car on vacation. And then in the hotel room you could bring an HDMI cable and the power adapter and plug it into the TV and play Nintendo Switch on your hotel TV if you need some downtime. So that's much nicer to travel with than this big thing. So here's the size difference between the two. So that's the YEZRO Multifunction Nintendo Switch dock. I think this will fix the inadequacies I've had with the regular Nintendo Switch dock. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you liked this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.